Little storyteller.
Ollie the Oven was feeling warm. Phew, he puffed, his metal door slightly wiggling. He lived in a bright yellow kitchen with cheerful red countertops. Mrs. Baker, a kind lady with flour dusting her apron like snowflakes, smiled at him. "It's time to bake something yummy, Ollie," she said, placing a big bowl on the counter beside him. Mrs. Baker mixed butter, sugar, and flour in the bowl. A sweet smell tickled Ollie's vents. She added little chocolate chips that looked like tiny brown buttons. Then, using a spoon, she scooped small dollops of the mixture onto a shiny baking tray and gently slid it inside Ollie. "Time for your warm nap, Ollie," she chuckled. Inside Ollie, it was getting warmer and warmer. He could feel the little blobs of dough changing. The sweet smell became stronger, making Ollie's metal walls feel happy and tingly. He peeked through his glass door, imagining the transformation happening inside. Soon, a delicious aroma filled the entire kitchen. Mrs. Baker opened Ollie's door, and a tray of golden brown cookies with melted chocolate chips slid out. They looked warm and gooey and smelled wonderfully sweet. Ollie felt a happy warmth inside too, not just from being hot. Mrs. Baker placed a cookie on a small plate for Ollie. "Here you go, my warm friend," she said kindly. Ollie couldn't eat it, of course, but he felt the warmth of the cookie near his door and smelled its sweet scent. He understood now. Getting hot wasn't just about feeling warm. It helped make something yummy and special. Later, Mrs. Baker shared the warm cookies with her friend, a fluffy bunny named Benny, who hopped over for a visit. Benny nibbled a cookie happily, his nose twitching with delight. Ollie felt a happy warmth spread through his metal frame. He learned that when we use our abilities, even getting hot, we can help create something good that brings joy to others. Sharing what we make is a sweet treat for everyone.
Please subscribe. Thank you.